Deciding between purchasing the Galaxy S23 Ultra now or waiting for the Galaxy S24 Ultra's arrival involves multiple considerations, including your immediate needs, budget, and willingness to wait. To make an informed decision, here's some insightful information. Seeking the latest technology. Anticipate advancements in the new flagship's system-on-chip with the introduction of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, promising enhanced CPU and GPU performance, power efficiency, and AI capabilities over the Galaxy S23 Ultra's Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. The newer chipset supports on-device generative AI, potentially improving the phone's assistant responsiveness. The AI engine on board the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 supports on-device generative AI, which should make for a faster responding on-board assistant and a more robust. There are improvements to the Spectre ISP image signal processor that should lead to better photos as well. That said, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 inside the Galaxy S23 had some formidable imaging and gaming features in its own right, but the new 8 Gen 3 chipset will definitely outperform everything that S23 Ultra 8 Gen 2 has to offer. So by holding off, you're betting that those AI-powered improvements will make the upcoming Samsung S24 Ultra more valuable to you than the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Value of artificial intelligence. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to emphasize AI-powered features, supporting features like the ability to compose emails for you, generate images on the fly based on your input, translate languages, and summarize content, although the S23 Ultra boasts impressive imaging and gaming features. We'd also imagine AI will play a more prominent role in some of the photo capabilities included with the Galaxy S24 Ultra, while specifics remain undisclosed until the S24 Ultra's launch. So by holding off, you're betting that those AI-powered improvements will make the upcoming Samsung phone more valuable to you than the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Given the importance that Samsung is placing on AI, that may be a bet worth taking. Excitement for potential upgrades. While the phones may share a similar design, the Galaxy S24 Ultra might introduce titanium framing, an LTPO flat display, and a stacked battery design for extended battery life and better performance. Camera improvements between the S23 Ultra and S24 Ultra could be minimal, with the biggest change expected to be a 50-megapixel telephoto lens for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. If you care about photos but can't swing the Ultra's high price, you may be safe sticking with the Galaxy S23 Ultra, though we'll reiterate that the anticipated AI improvements could involve image processing. Urgency of needing a new phone. Consider whether an immediate upgrade is necessary or if waiting for the Galaxy S24 Ultra is feasible. Recent regulatory filings hint at an imminent Galaxy S24 Ultra launch, with rumors pointing to a 17 January date for Samsung's next Galaxy Unpacked event. If your timeline allows, waiting for the S24 Ultra's potential January release might be advantageous. In essence, the decision to purchase the Galaxy S23 Ultra or await the Galaxy S24 Ultra revolves around the balance of immediate requirements, technological expectations, and the anticipated value the newer model might offer. Apart from all these things, S24 Ultra is going to be an amazing phone with groundbreaking AI technology, so if you can wait, then you should wait. Let us know if you're waiting to buy the Galaxy S24 Ultra or if you will buy the S23 Ultra. Also, which feature in both phones do you like the most? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.